Today video I will solve your Wi-Fi connecting issue. So first you have to open your mobile setting, then click on Wi-Fi. So first step you have to forget your password. So now click on forget, and now again you have to put your password to check it's connecting or not. So let me type my password and then click on connect. So here you can see my Wi-Fi has not been connecting. So now go back to your home screen. So now after scrolling down, scroll more, you have to find option erase data. So let me find. So here you have to click reset Wi-Fi setting. So here it will ask your phone password. So just your Wi-Fi setting has been reset. Now you have to clear your apps and then go again to setting and click on Wi-Fi option. Now here you can also add your network if it not showing your network. Otherwise click on your network, and here you have to type your password, and see my issue has been solved. It is very easiest way. So hope so this video will help you a lot.